guys, so I'm at Moon Palace Resort in Jamaica, and this is going to be my room tour. I hate that this is over band. Anyways, so come.
This is my regular. I'm talking takes for better now. Oh, takes for better now. Ooh, we been down. Oh, this is my regular. I'm talking takes for better now. Oh, takes
This is our closet. Our closet is. It gets robe, it gets slippers, and you have a safe. Not going to use that. This is the bathroom where I'm gonna be taking all my cute snaps. Right? Let me show you guys. So this is the mirror. The shower alright, it no that. But I think this can okay, this can pull up. I don't know if I mean things that this can pull out, but vanity mirror, you get the she stuff. What is this? Body lotion, face soap, rug, the usual. And the only thing I like about this bathroom is that the toilet area is separated from like the shower, so regular toilet, nothing fancy. So the toilet area is separated from it, so you know, if somebody else in the shower, you can use the and they give you, what is that, shampoo? I don't know what else that is. Somebody else there? Okay, it's fine. So then we'll have the table. What is this, like an island, I would say. Please remember the mess that we have. What are these? Come into the room. I think this is a diffuser. I really don't know, but I think that's a diffuser. You get your water, TV, coffee station, lamp. Okay, here is the mini fridge that we have, and it's a family inclusive resort, so I guess that's why I have like the squeeze and stuff. Yes guys, we're gonna be drunk. I have a Smirnoff. I don't know no else I did it, so Kingston, know that? I don't know, but that is that. Oh, let me close the fridge, guys. You have your beer, your soda, and regular stuff. Ugh. Okay, and then it gets a complimentary wine, I would say. Twin Oak, I believe it's red wine. They gave us this rose while checking in. 2 seats, like somewhere you can put your luggages, and you have 2 beds. So I have a mirror right there over the bed. This is my bed. I have work. I'm currently working and vacation. Still gotta make that bank. And nightstand and another table. Another table we have. Let me show you guys so as I said, this is the nightstand that we have. This is another bed, comes with 2 beds, and this is a mirror that's right there. That's me. Yeah, laptop charging. So that's basically the room. It's nothing major, I would say. It's like the standard room, like not too enticing, I would say. Literally nothing too enticing. Guys, I bring my camera as I'm telling you, but I hate the quality. I hate the quality, but I'm not used to it, so I am vlogging on my phone. I'm going to show you guys the view. I hate the view. Like, one thing about this hotel, they don't like, if you get a standard room, the view is crap. And I see everybody complaining about it, but I didn't expect it to be that bad. So I'm gonna show you guys the view right now. So this is the view that I'm talking about. You're seeing rooftop. You're seeing the top of buildings in the hotel. I guess that is the other part of the hotel. Come show them the ocean view. That's a half. That is just the little ocean that we have, and we have one over that side. The view kind of nice beyond the building, but me I look down from the top of the red building, it do pretty. But that is a basic room tour of Moon Palace.